Stand-up pouch. For a stand-up pouch, you need to measure 3 dimensions: width, length, bottom gusset width. 2. Pillow pouch. For a pillow pouch, it's simple. Just measure the length and width. 3. Three-side seal pouch. A three-side seal pouch is the same. Measure the length and width. 4. Flat bottom pouch. For a flat bottom pouch, you measure length, width, bottom gusset width. 5. Quad seal pouch. For a quad seal pouch, you measure width, length, side gusset width. Once you have successfully measured the dimensions, you can send the measurements to us. We will create the die line for your bag design.